Hi there and welcome back. I am Striker Discount, your teacher. In this lesson, I'm gonna teach you about the subject pronouns in English. And I'm glad to be there with you in this lesson. Salut tout le monde, je m'appelle Striker, professeur Paula. Et dans la leçon, ça va enseigner où qui s'acquit et pronom personnel Sijè en anglais. The subject pronouns in English. Comment tu content de faire une vidéo ça? Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I'm coming back. Okay, now, what is the subject pronouns? Qui s'acquit subject pronouns? En bon créole, qui s'acquit pronom personnel Sijè en anglais? Okay. A subject pronouns is a pronoun does the action in a sentence. Pronom personnel Sijè, c'est ça qui fait action dans phrase là. The subject pronouns is a pronoun does the action in a sentence. Okay, now let's get the ball rolling. Okay. As you can notice on the board, the subject pronouns. Could you repeat after me? The subject pronouns. Okay. Now, these all is the subject pronouns. I, you, he, she, and it. These are all for the plural. For the singular, excuse me. These are all for singular. I, you, he, she, and it. After we got we, you, and they. These are all for plural. See? For that, these are all for singular. For singular. And here these are all for plural. Okay. Now let's make a review for you. I, you, he, she, it. These are all for singular. We, you, they. And these are all for plural. Now this is an example with the subject pronouns. Ça c'est quelques exemples et nous fait quelques petites phrases avec pronom personnel Sijè au bout. The subject pronouns. Okay, for the first sentence, I saw Tom. It's not so. I really hear some people says so. No. I saw Tom. This is the subject pronouns. And the verb. And here, this is the object pronouns. The object. Now, the leçon la pote pour vous, n'a vino apprendre qui s'acquit the object pronouns. In this sentence, I. This is the subject, and saw is the verb, and Tom, this is the object pronoun. I saw Tom. I saw Tom. Okay. For the second, excuse me, you are watching this video. You are watching this video. Ou regardez vidéo ça. You are watching this video. Subscribe. Yes. And now we got he. He drives a bus. He drives a bus. He is the subject pronoun. And he does the action also. He does the action. he, it is a subject pronoun, and he, it does the action also in this sentence. Drives is the action. The action, and it is a verb also. It is a verb. And she has 3 children. She has 3 children. He, it is the subject pronouns. And it is a nice place to visit. Ça c'est une belle petite place pour nous visiter. Ça c'est une belle place pour nous visiter. It is a nice place to visit. And this sentence, it is the subject. It is a subject pronouns in this sentence. Pronouns. It is the subject pronouns. And I make a sentences with it. It is a nice place to visit. Or you can say it's a nice place to visit. When you say it is a contracted form. If you don't use the contracted form, you can say it is a nice place to visit. Okay? We got we. We have a nice car. We have a nice car. And in this sentence, the subject pronouns is we. We, it is the subject pronouns. And we does the action of, I say, we have a nice car. Okay. The common subject pronouns after we is you. You are all studying English. Nous tout à étudier anglais. You are all studying English. In this sentence, you, it is the subject pronouns. And you does the action in this sentence. You does the action. And it is the subject pronouns also. Okay, we got they. I say, I take 2 examples. For the first, the children speak many languages and they are smart. The children speak many languages and they are smart. In this sentence, the subject pronouns they use for humans. And I say the children speak many languages, they are smart. The third sentence, these cars are expensive. They were made in Germany. These cars, the word cars take the place of the subject pronouns they. And they, in this sentence, the subject pronouns they used for non-humans. Okay, I think so, you understand. Okay guys, merci pour attention. Merci parce que vous déjà like et vous abonnez avec channel là. Pas oublier partager vidéo nous. Dans vidéo ça vous saute Aprann Pwonon Pèsonèl Sijè en anglais et on fait quelques phrases avec vous comment pour utiliser. Pas oublier abonner avec channel là, partager vidéo nous avec tout le monde. It was your teacher. Goodbye.